Hello guys, hello YouTube. Welcome to another quick video here about the Roxor. So today I am scoping, trying to find out which one would be the best for me. I'm kind of liking this one, which is as you can see, it has the badging, which says that it's a limited edition. Um So that's a limited edition. You can also tell it's a limited edition. It's got the 8,000 pound one hitch, and it's got the KCI bar on top, light bar. It's got the rear view mirrors. It's got the grab handles, and those are the main differences, worth about $3,000. Uh, That's the first one. The second one, I believe this is just a regular, like, there's four trim levels. You have the base or the classic, you have the base 2 or the classic 2, you have the limited edition, and then you have the special edition. Special edition, they're numbered 1 to 300, and then there is another edition that's gonna be called a Dune edition. Will be available in California later this year. This is 2018. So I believe this is just the base Roxor, I would presume. There's no way to tell between the base and the base 2. I think it could be the wheels. I believe the base has just the metal wheels, and then the base 2 has the alloy wheels, which is a $500 option. So this is the one I'm kind of leaning for. It's the what's called the fire orange. It looks red. Anybody would say it's a red, but it's called the fire orange. Now for the colors that are available, you have the Tahoe Blue, you have the fire orange, you have the white, and then you have the carbon black, which you can see right here. So those are the four primary colors, but looking online, I've been able to see other different colors. So I believe the palette of colors available is expanding and really quick. Now, couple of things why I really want the Roxor is you get the Jeep experience without having to change parts every day, having it break down. I love the fact that it has a diesel engine, 2.5 liter diesel engine, 18.6:1 compression ratio. I like the fact that it has the NGT 520 manual transmission, transfer case, and it's already ready to be accessorized. You can see for your wheel holder, you can put it right there. You can put your hitch in the back. Going underneath, if you want to do a quick customization, because it's limited in speed electronically, you can disconnect that speed sensor, even though it's not allowed because it's a UTV. It's limited by speed to 45 miles per hour, but you disconnect that, take off the yellow wrapper, and it's just a normal wire electrical car connector. You disconnect it, and then you unleash the speed. Downside is you won't have your speed shown on the dash. It runs on diesel, that's a big plus. And then also you have the fact that this is not yet been spoken about enough, but if you look underneath where you have the transfer case, let me lay underneath here, right there. That's one thing that a lot of people will want. This transfer case actually would accept a PTO. What's a PTO? It's a power takeoff. So you can actually connect on there and use a shaft and transfer power to the back. The only obstacle you can see is the fuel tank, which is there in the back. But there is also a way of connecting a hydraulic attachment here, and then you transfer your power hydraulically to the back. Transfer case is made by Dana. Dana, if you remember, they're a company based out of that was founded in 1904, so 114 years ago. It has it was founded by Clarence Spicer and Charles Dana. So they make gear components, splines, axles. That's what they do. So yeah, just a quick video. Let me know what you guys think. If you think I should get the red, or which one they call you know fire orange. The white, I'm not feeling for it. I like the black, but that one is just a limited edition, which means it has a few additions that bump the price up by $3,000. Other thing that I want to point out, if you look underneath here, it might be dark, but if you look underneath, right there, you see that connector, it's orange. That's where you have your OBD2, and then the accelerator pedal, because this is a direct injection diesel engine with a common rail, so everything is controlled electronically. So that's the accelerator pedal. There's no physical cable going into the engine compartment. What else? As a specification for the U.S. market to be in compliance, they had to do the rollover protection system, the ROP system. It had to be bolted directly to the steel box frame. And a major difference between this and the earlier CJs, CJ5s, and no, the wheelies from the Second World War, is that this has that box frame that goes all the way through, whereas the wheelies up front, that box frame was actually a C. So this one comes all the way to the front, as you can see. And then of course, this is just a regular bumper. You have options for off-road bumpers and all sorts of bumpers that you can think of. Look carefully in here. What do you see? You see the bulb. There's a bulb in there. So this is just like the tar in India. It comes everything. The wiring harness, from what I understand, is the same. It's just that for compliance here in the United States, blinkers or the flashers were not put in place. You have the door. It will bolt right in. Put the door and you will have it right in. You have the hooks for when you put the covering. Even here in the back, you have it's already pre-wired, and there are bulbs in there for the brake and the blinkers. You also gonna need some kind of bumper here in the back as an aftermarket. There's a whole ton load of people who are working on that right now, and soon enough we should be able to start having those aftermarket components. That's the shift pattern, and then you have some specifications there. Off-road use only. That's what the dash looks like. And then you have some switches there. Cup holders, of course, they hold water, so you might want to drill those to let the water drain. So that's what it looks like. Got any questions, suggestions, what you think I should get? Let me know, comment below. Thanks.